Good afternoon, everyone. Dave here, Ceramic Pro San Diego. Just wanted to show you guys this 2020 Land Rover Defender we just finished up with. This car actually just came in for a basic wash the other day. The guy just picked it up. He just came in to get it washed, and we ended up selling him on some window tinting. So we matched the front windows to the back, added the infrared film on there. Just mainly to keep out the sun and heat, but for some privacy we did 50% on the windshield, slight tint to it. Now everything looks clean and even. But real quick upsell, usually the first thing that people end up doing to their cars when they get them is window tinting. So this was a easy snag. Looks good though. Guy's gonna be hyped on it. Cool. Thanks for watching.